Have you noticed that in today's market, many buyers are not just looking for a house? They are looking for space, privacy, convenience, and most importantly, the right entry price. Because at the end of the day, when you buy a home, it is not only about whether the unit looks nice today. It is also about whether your family can live comfortably, whether the location supports your daily routine, and whether the price gives you a safer exit strategy in the future. So today, we are here at 154 Rivervale Crescent. This is a high-floor 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom HDB home, sized at 91 square meters, bright, windy, spacious, and with no direct-facing neighbors from all rooms. And the best part? It is priced attractively for buyers who are looking for value in a well-connected Sengkang location. Now, before we step inside, let's understand how the layout flows, because a good floor plan is what makes daily living feel easy, practical, and comfortable. Now let's look at the floor plan. This is a practical 91 square meters layout with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The living and dining area sits at the front, giving you a proper common space for family time and guests. The bedrooms are tucked inside, so the private area feels nicely separated. You also have 2 bathrooms, one attached to the master bedroom and one common bathroom near the common rooms, making it convenient for daily family use. Together with the enclosed kitchen and household shelter, the whole layout is simple, efficient, and very suitable for everyday family living. As you enter, the living and dining area opens up nicely. It is long, bright, and practical, with large windows bringing in natural light and breeze. You can fit a comfortable sofa set, TV console, and dining table while still keeping good walking space. With simple curtains, light-toned vinyl flooring, and a clean TV feature wall, this space can feel even more modern and cozy. Moving into the kitchen, you have an enclosed layout, which is useful for families who cook often. There is good cabinet storage, countertop space, a sink area, hob, hood, and space for your fridge and appliances. By refreshing the cabinet laminates, changing the countertop, and adding under-cabinet lighting, the kitchen can look cleaner and brighter. You also have a household shelter near the entrance, which is very useful for storage, luggage, household items, or even keeping the home neat and clutter-free. The master bedroom is spacious and comes with large windows, built-in wardrobes, and its own attached bathroom. You can comfortably fit a queen or king-size bed with side tables. With a calm feature wall, warm lighting, and refreshed wardrobe laminates, this room can become a relaxing private retreat. The 2 common bedrooms are also practical in size. Each room can comfortably fit a bed, wardrobe, and bedside table, making them ideal as cozy bedrooms for children, family members, or guests. With soft lighting, simple curtains, and built-in storage, these rooms can feel comfortable, functional, and welcoming for everyday living. For the bathrooms, both are practical for daily use, with one attached to the master bedroom and one common bathroom for the family. With modern fittings, mirror cabinets, brighter tiles, and a glass shower screen, they can be upgraded into fresh, clean, and easy-to-maintain spaces. Now let's look at the pricing, because this is where the value becomes very clear. Around Rivervale Crescent, similar 4-room units are already transacting in the mid to high $500,000 range. At Block 153 Rivervale Crescent, with about 78 years balance lease, similar units have already transacted up to around $588,000. At Block 183B Rivervale Crescent, with about 74 years balance lease, recent transactions have reached around $560,000. Over at Block 150 Rivervale Crescent, with about 78 years balance lease, units have transacted around $600,000. And at Block 184A Rivervale Crescent, with about 74 years balance lease, transactions have gone up to around $570,000. So when we compare these nearby transactions, our unit at 154 Rivervale Crescent is priced attractively according to the current market. You are getting a high-floor, bright and windy home with no direct-facing neighbors from all rooms, right next to Rambia LRT and close to malls, schools, supermarkets and amenities. Now let's talk about location, because this is where 154 Rivervale Crescent becomes even more attractive. For transport, Rumbia LRT is just a very short walk from your block, making daily travel very convenient. From there, you can connect easily to Sengkang MRT, and Punggol MRT is also nearby, giving you smooth access to the Northeast Line and different parts of Singapore. For buses, you have bus stops very close by. Rumbia Station Exit B and Exit A, about a 2-minute walk, while Block 156A, Car Park bus stop, also just around the corner. So whether your family takes LRT, MRT or bus, the connectivity here is very convenient. For families with children, this location is very convenient. Within about a 5 minutes walk, you have Rivervale Primary School, Meadow School and North Spring Primary School. Sengkang Primary School and Greendale Primary School are also within easy reach. For secondary schools, CHIJ, St. Joseph's Convent, is also within about a 5 minutes walk, while Greendale Secondary, Compassville Secondary, Sengkang Secondary and Edgefield Secondary are nearby as well. Global Indian International School is also close by, which is helpful for international families looking at this area. For supermarkets, FairPrice at Rivervale Mall is just a few minutes walk away. You also have Prime Supermarket, FairPrice at Punggol Plaza, FairPrice at Rivervale Plaza, and more grocery options nearby, making daily marketing very easy. For shopping and lifestyle, Rivervale Mall is the nearest option, with eateries, shops and essential services. Punggol Plaza, Rivervale Plaza, Compass One, Oasis Terraces and many more malls are also within easy reach for dining, shopping and family needs. And this part of Sengkang and Rivervale is known for being family-oriented, peaceful and practical. You get the convenience of an established HDB town, with parks, schools, LRT connectivity and amenities all around. For families, that means less traveling, less stress and more time together. Because end of the day, a good home is not just about the unit. It is also about whether your family's daily life becomes easier. So if you're looking for a home that gives you comfort today and better confidence for tomorrow, 154 Rivervale Crescent is definitely worth viewing. Over the past 15 years, Kumar has helped many families upgrade, right-size and build their property wealth with peace of mind. And his goal is always the same, not to pressure you, but to help you make the right decision with clarity. If this home feels like the right fit for your family, come and experience the space in person. We will be happy to walk you through the home, the layout, the pricing, and whether this could be the right next move for you.